Evening everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening, 2nd November, and as strange as it seems, this is a propagation video, so let me spin the camera around and I'll show you. So hopefully some of you have seen my previous videos on me growing my grapevine, and as I say, we are the 2nd of November, so in keeping with the time, I've done my tying in and pruning on my grapevine, and as a result kind of ended up with a load of cutting material. So just thought I'd show you what to do with it to then propagate your own grapevines. Okay, here we are. So got some cutting material. Importantly, pot of compost that's got soil added to it. So in this case it's a John Innes mixture with multi-purpose compost and John Innes to keep it nice and heavy. This is one of my grapevines from a year ago, so you can see it's got a good root structure, and a couple of wood lice as well. So yeah, you get a nice plant, but it will take you about a year to go from these to that. Really simple. So you've got your stems, and this is what's known as doing a semi-ripe to hardwood cutting. So you've got your fresh growth, which is this pliable section, a slightly darker section here, which is your semi-ripe going into your ripened wood. So it's the semi-ripe and ripened wood that we want, and because we're into November, the leaves are going to be dropping anyway. They're not much use to you, and that is essentially what we want, is just a twig that is 6 to 8 inches long. Cut it just below the leaf joint and pop it into the compost, and I normally just put it down so it is up to the next bud. Show you again. So this section here is on ripened wood, so it doesn't really matter semi-ripe or ripened. Take it off, and you end up with a section like so. Again, place it straight in, and we'll just repeat the procedure. And this is a really easy plant, to be honest, to propagate, and I've been doing it for a couple of years on this plant, and as much as I like grapes, I've only got this one left, as I've got a friend in Wales who's got a small holding, and he's started off a little, well, vineyard I suppose. So the last couple of years I've been sending up the little grape plants to him. So yeah, it's a nice quick way, and really anything that's got a bit of strength to it is what you want to use. So quick video, as it's cold, it's 4 degrees, cold November, and yeah, just of the moment really, how to propagate your grapevines. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Short and sweet. Any messages, questions, just send them over to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. In the meantime, thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos, and I'll see you all soon, hopefully when it's less cold. But bye for now.